Hey guys, and welcome to our How to Handyman series. In this video, just a little tool tip actually, one that I was been working on building a pool house today. Don't ask what that is, but lots of carpentry work and lots of banging in nails. I had a customer helping me, and yeah, we were knocking some nails in and the customer kept hitting his thumb. I've got a nice little tool tip that you can use so you never hit your thumb again. So let's go and do it. So today, yeah, we were working on like a big shed, a pool house today, and had a customer working with me, and he kept hitting his thumb every time he tried to knock a nail in, and it reminded me that that's something that I used to do. Except I had a carpenter, a really old guy, carpenter working with me once, and he showed me how to hold a nail properly so that you don't actually hit. You always hit the nail, and you don't hit your thumb. So, and it all comes down to how you hold the nail. So, let me show you. I'll bring the camera down here and let's have a look. So most people, when they're knocking a nail in, actually hold it like this. They hold it between their thumb and forefinger. Now, that automatically means that when you go to hit the nail, your thumb is right underneath where the hammer's going to be. Now, if you miss for any reason, then it's likely you're going to go, no, I'm definitely not going to do it. No, I'm not going to do it, but you get the idea that, yeah, people tend to sort of hit the thumb. So there is a better way to actually hold a nail. So let me just do this again. So the alternative way to hold a nail is actually to hold it like this, between two fingers. If you do it that way, hold it, you've got control over, still got control over the nail. Look at where you're going to hit the nail, which is in the center. So always look in the center and then just hit with the hammer. And then you move your fingers out of the way and you can finish knocking the nail all the way in. And I know that that sounds really weird, and I don't know what the psychology of it is, but I know since I've moved over to that method, A, I haven't hit my thumb because my thumb's not in the way, but B, I've never hit my fingers either. So it might just save you from a couple of black thumbs. So anyway, just a quick 2-minute video on a little tool tip. As always, if you like what you see, please like and subscribe to the channel. Otherwise, I'll see you on the next video. I'll see you soon. And no, I'm definitely not going to hit my thumb.